Watson, an open PCR machine that tests for microbes around you. Microbes are living things so small the human eye can't see them. But just because you can't see them doesn't mean they aren't there. In fact, you're surrounded by microbes. Some people call them germs, but biologists know them as viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi. For detecting these microbes, biologists use a machine called a thermocycler, or PCR machine. Most PCR machines are large instruments that cost thousands of dollars and require in-depth knowledge and lab training for proper setup and use. However, by using Watson, we've made PCR a whole lot less complicated. How does it work? The thermocycler repeatedly heats up and cools down the input DNA or RNA in the presence of a special reagent system to produce trillions of copies of DNA within 1 hour. Watson PCR comes with an AC power adapter, a flash drive loaded with a control software, and a data cable. Power is fed via the USB port and the unit can be programmed externally. Watson is preloaded with 16 different PCR programs, any of which can be chosen by altering the patterns of 4 dip switches. Using the software enclosed in the USB flash drive, these programs can be altered for individual use. 4 individual reactions can be performed during a single run. To run a test, first obtain a reagent kit to detect a particular target. Sample preparation takes 5 to 15 minutes depending on whether the sample is a bacteria, virus, parasite, or fungi. Once the samples are prepared, they are loaded into Watson for the PCR run. After the PCR run is complete, the reaction tube is taken out, mixed with a detection reagent, and then loaded onto a paper-based detection device. Within 5 minutes, a positive or negative result will be visible. Watson has reimagined detecting microbes and is brought to you in the form of a portable, open source, affordable, and easy-to-use device. Watson is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and can be used in any kind of setting. Most importantly, Watson can be used by you to detect the microbes around you.